Let's call on Brother Ricky Pascual.
Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Hi, I'm Ricky Pascal. I was called to serve God way back in 1988. I was 13 years old then. Too young? Siyempre, but I'm very happy to serve at a young age. So many blessings, so many breakthroughs. And in 1999, together with Brother Joel, doon kami nagkakilala. I started serving the feast with my girlfriend then and now my wife. Yung time na nasa Camp Aguinaldo pa lang yung feast. Isa pa lang ang feast ngayon, 166 feast na. And I can't remember anything na hindi masaya or maybe there are a few instances na may problema pero natatabunan sobrang daming blessings. Kaya hindi ko na napapansin na may dumadating na trials or problems. Serving God become a way of life to me. A year ago, I stood here and shared with you my recent trials. Siguro, ilan sa inyo nakarinig na nun. And let me refresh you once again. A job-related criminal case was filed against me and my former boss. And as a result, our company closed down. Though I was absorbed by a client, I was fired 2 months later. I was jobless for almost 4 months. May kaso na nga ako, wala pang trabaho. Am I worried? Yes, because I'm afraid of going to jail. And I'm afraid not providing for my family. But I did not do so. Kasi I believe that in every trials, there are tenfolds of blessings that is coming. Hindi yung every blessings may trials, baliktad. I believe that every trials may kapalit na 10 blessings. And I did not lose hope, for I know things will get better because God is with me all the time. Serving God blesses my life. For one, I am surrounded by people who are constantly praying with me, especially in times of these difficulties. Here at the PM session alone, I have 60 plus prayer partners who are praying with me, not to mention my ever-loving wife's support. Now I have a dream team. Their prayers and support make things easier for me. They help me carry my own cross, even though they have their own crosses to bear. Brothers and sisters, I also told you in that sharing that I will stand here once again to share my victory over this trial. And today, friends, is the day. Last week, I received a text message from my former boss, and it said, "Rick, dismiss ang kaso." Wow, I was really in tears hanggang ngayon. And I thank the Lord. The case was dismissed not just because of lack of merit, but because of God's unending mercy. He is true to His promise that while we are busy serving Him, He will take care of everything. Me, my family, my ministry, and my household. God never failed. Ever. God is bringing back all what I have lost. I have found a new job, and slowly, my finances is getting better. Anak ko po yan. Debts incurred because of the loss of job are almost paid. Anak ko rin po yan. Brothers and sisters, life is beautiful, and serving God makes things even more beautiful. Friends, if there are things that is holding you back in serving God, I always believe that God is not interested on how you have failed Him in the past. He is interested in how you will serve Him in your future. Serve God and you will never regret in saying yes to Him. To God be the glory.
Maraming salamat.